Roof Maxx is a non-toxic, plant-based roof treatment that is safe to use on homes with families, children, and pets. Here's what homeowners most often want to know about the safety of our rejuvenation spray product for asphalt shingles and our broader restoration process. Homeowners who are considering having any kind of solution sprayed on their houses typically want to know whether it will expose their kids, pets, plants, or property to anything risky. Here's what makes Roof Maxx safe for use on your property. Roof Maxx is an all-natural formula derived from soybean oils. It contains no solvents and no VOCs, which are found in some roof adhesives or coatings. It is unlikely that overspraying will take place during your Roof Maxx treatment. Our dealers are trained to only spray the proper amount in the correct areas. But even if any of the Roof Maxx solution gets anywhere other than on your shingles, it does not pose a risk to you or any of your home's occupants. Roof Maxx isn't just safe. It's a smart and cost-effective way to protect the roof over your head. If you can restore an existing roof instead of replacing it early, that's fewer shingles heading to a landfill. And it's a practical way to get more use out of materials already on your home. Now let's cover a few important tips for the day of your Roof Maxx treatment. Application of the Roof Maxx product is simple. All you need to do is make sure the crew has access to your property and rooftop as needed. Talk to your dealer about any concerns or sensitive areas you may have in the area around your home. Roof Maxx dealers follow stringent safety guidelines to protect you, themselves, and your property. To learn more about what to expect during your treatment, contact your local dealer today. Many homeowners who choose restoration have successfully extended the life of their existing shingles and put costly replacement off for years. Learn more at roofmaxx.com.